Hello, trading is closed on May 14th, 2014. I'm Jeffrey Tennant. I'd like to discuss our previous predictions, what happened in today's market, and see if we can come up with a call for tomorrow. At Monday's close, we made a few predictions. One was that I wouldn't be surprised if higher prices printed, which they did. I then looked for a retracement. I had a target based on the mejt system of 1893.16 minus. I felt it was most likely to print yesterday. It did not, but today it printed and was a good support level. I also said that the system looked for an 8 to 10 point drop from this high. We didn't see it yesterday, and that's the first time that signal failed me, but let's look at what's happened since. In futures, the high on the 13th was 1898.50. The low before the open was 1890.50. So we have 8 points exactly. Once the market opened, we dropped from 1902.17 down to the first low of 1892.17, 10 points exactly. So we got our 8 to 10 points, we just didn't get them when I wanted them. One of the things about mejt calls is that the targets do print, they just don't always print when you want them to every time. I also said that if we were going to continue lower, we should gap down under these lows. Technically, we gapped down. It wasn't quite under these lows, but we did trade under them instantly. If somebody wants to call that prediction a miss, I won't argue with you. To me, it's close enough. During the day, mejt said that we would eventually sell off, which we did. It now says this sell-off will not stick and gives us a target of 1894.55 plus. Well, that looks like a pretty negative pattern today. Is this target going to print? Let's remember that we said that this blue trend line was a pretty significant trend line, and that if we gapped under it, which we did, that we should have a target of the lower Bollinger Band, the area of the lower Bollinger Band. That's true, but it doesn't mean we go down every day. I have a number of independent systems which call for support at today's low. Perhaps the most obvious is that it's a Fibonacci retracement of the recent rally. I have other things which call for support at this low too. So if this low holds, and I think the odds favor it holding, I'm looking for a price of 1894.55 plus tomorrow, and that's today's call.